someone who celebrates their birthday all week long. Maybe that someone is you, and that's okay. Frankly, I think we need more celebrations in life. I love the concept of advent calendars, getting a little something every day as you count down to the 25th. But why should we reserve this kind of countdown only in December? Make countdown nesting boxes and bring the Advent spirit into every special occasion. You'll need 1x4s and 1x2s, a miter saw, nail gun, safety glasses, brad nails and staples, chicken wire, wire snips, 2 handles, measuring tape, wood glue, wood filler, drill, and a fine grit sandpaper, scrapbook numbers and small plates, spray paints and a drop cloth. For the 1x4s, you'll need 6 cut at 36 inches, 6 cut at 10 inches, 3 cut at 8.5 inches, 3 cut at 20.25 inches, 6 cut at 4.25 inches, 6 cut at 3 5/8 inches. For the 1x2s, you'll need 8 cut at 12 inches, 1 cut at 37.25 inches, 1 cut at 21 3/4 inches, 4 cut at 1.25 inches. First, build the bottom and the top. Use 3 of the 36-inch 1x4s and attach 3 12-inch 1x2s. Put the 1x2s at either end and 1 at 21 inches from the left side. Make sure the 1x2 is attached on the shorter side. All of the 1x2s will be nailed in this direction except for the feet. I found it easier to flip the boards over and shoot the nails in through the 1x4s. Attach 3 of the 10-inch 1x4s to the left side. Then nail in another 12-inch 1x2 5 inches from the bottom. Nail the remaining 3 10-inch 1x4s to the right side. Lay out the 3 8.5-inch 1x4s and attach a 12-inch 1x2 4.25 inches from the bottom. I used another piece of wood to ensure all of the 1x4s were straight before measuring and nailing in. Set this 8.5-inch piece up against and to the left of the 1x2 near the middle and nail into place. Starting at the far left, measure and mark at 6.5 inches and 13 inches. Make the marks on the edge of the wood and not the top surface. Do this on all 3 of the 1x4s. Starting at the back, set a 20.25-inch 1x4 on the 2 1x2s. Nail in at both ends. Add a 4.25-inch piece on the center of each of the marks under this 1x4. Secure in place with nails. Do the same for the middle and front pieces. Run some wood glue along the bottom of all of your 3 5/8-inch pieces. Line them up with the vertical pieces below and press down firmly. Add your top and shoot nails into all of the 3 5/8-inch pieces from above. Nail the sides into the top as well. Flip the entire piece over and shoot nails into all of the smaller vertical pieces through the 1x4s. Add your 4 1.25-inch feet to all 4 corners. These should be nailed in via the longer side of the 1x2 and not on the cut ends. Nail your 37.25-inch 1x2 along the bottom edge and the 21 3/4-inch piece on the next level. Allow about 1/4 of an inch to sit below the edge. Fill in all of the nail holes with a wood filler. This filler goes on pink but dries to the same color as the wood, so it's easy to tell when it's dry and ready to sand smooth. Lay out the chicken wire on the back of the box. Use the wire snips to cut a piece that will cover the entire area. Spray paint the box, chicken wire, small plates, and handles. I'm using Rust-Oleum's Perfect Gray on the wood, and their metallic turquoise for the chicken wire, small plates, and handles. Allow to fully dry. Staple the chicken wire to the back. Screw in the handles at the center of both sides. Stick the numbers 0 through 6 on the center of each small plate, then glue into place under each of the box openings on the 1x2s. I'm starting with 6 in the upper left corner and counting down to the largest box where 0 will indicate the big day and the biggest present. For those times in between your week-long celebrations, use the countdown nesting boxes as a decorative display or a wine rack. On the fly, DIY.